I did.
What? Don't be lighting stuff over here by the fireworks, crackhead.
No, she's already light that. Yeah.
What's this? Do I just light it?
There it goes.
I didn't think it would do that.
No, take it over there at least.
I'm gonna video her.
Wherever. Hey, I found another chicken.
A chicken?
This one's a hen laying eggs.
I'm stealing from the children.
It's not gonna blow up, darling. It goes. Well, that goes pop. It's louder than that.
It's gonna go to one side.
Okay.
Hey, you gotta light these with a lighter and throw them. There you go. You don't like anything with fire, right?
That's what that chicken knows.
No, that was not me. Yeah. That was someone else.
Are you on a phone at a fireworks display?
No.
Something. I don't know what it is. That might have been what. So you're scared.
No, you that thing shut up and they were afraid and took my phone out of my pocket.
So you did that off of what?
Sound. Ronan, shut up in there.
Oh my god, I just pulled out my phone.
I almost got hit in the face by that thing.
Oh, they loved you. I was trying to give you a kiss. Yes, they are boring.
Come here, put it nice, baby.
That freaking chased
I was
after
like,
me.
Perrin! It chased me.
How rude.
I didn't cry but once. But
I'm just gonna throw it like dynamite and throw
it.
No, not this way.
Oh! He threw that freaking Taya. Taya was like,
My hand from under the weight.
Yeah.
what is it gonna do?
The weight's like, you know that one part right there? My hand hit right there. And I had like
Yeah, I
50
feel
pounds.
Just go past gas.
I ran for nothing. You were just like,
Well, you might have survived the gas.
I'm sorry. You know I was pulling.
Oh, it's still going.
Go put it. Get a piece of ice out of the cooler for some left after being open for 20 minutes.
When is it gonna stop?
I know you
Dang, where's the off switch?
it's supposed to be a
No, for real. I'm just serious.
Ooh, that looks pretty.
Walk through it. Walk through it. Like, yes, Perrin, you're like, let's walk through that. When you're about to do something like that.
You're in a bad spot, dude. Can we get you a chair?
No, I'm fine. I can hear
Trust
it.
me.
It's dead.
All I gotta do is this.
Crap, I'm getting bit by stuff.
Oh my gosh.
Can I drop the phone?
I'm getting bit by stuff. It's really.
I don't know what
Well,
that
here.
is.
Light it
Right now.
Go light it.
Riding it right now.
This one is
Light it out there, Marcus.
a red palm.
No, you have to light it in there.
Real? Shoots flaming balls.
Oh, that sounds interesting. Where do I put it? Did you?
Me too. Let it. What?
Oh.
As long as I keep it the snorkel above water, it'll go.
It's always cold. You want to have a challenge? Let's see who can get the hand in there.